Leaking slip joint on dishwasher air gap? Here's how you can fix that mess without calling in a pro right away. So, first off, you want to turn off your dishwasher and water supply to avoid a mini flood in your kitchen, you know? Next, grab a towel, because water's probably going to drip when you mess with the pipes. Check the slip joint, the part where the pipes connect near the air gap, and see if it's loose or the washer is worn out. If it's loose, just tighten the slip joint nut by hand or use pliers gently so you don't crack anything. If the washer looks old or cracked, swap it out for a new one. They're cheap and easy to find at hardware stores. While you're at it, clean any grime or buildup around the air gap and pipes because gunk can cause leaks too. After you tighten or replace the washer, run a quick test by turning the water back on and running the dishwasher to see if it still leaks. If it's dry, you're golden. If not, double check the connections or consider replacing the whole slip joint assembly if it's damaged. One of the biggest mistakes people make with a leaking slip joint on dishwasher air gap is over-tightening the nut, which can crack the plastic parts and make leaks worse. So just tighten enough, not like you're trying to break it. Another common issue is ignoring the rubber washer. If that thing is worn out, water's gonna sneak through no matter what. So always replace it when you notice leaks. Finally, folks often forget to clean out debris from the air gap and pipes, and that buildup can block water flow and cause leaks or backups, so give those parts a good scrub every now and then. BigHomeProjects.com makes it easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff with honest reviews and ratings. Contractors get a boost too because they can connect with people looking for their skills without all the hassle.